Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to draw on Google Maps. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google My Maps and sign into your Google account. Once you're inside, click on Create a New Map to start a new project. After the map loads, you'll see a blank map where you can add locations, import data, and draw shapes or routes. Use the zoom controls to move to the area where you want to draw on the map. Next, click on the Draw a Line tool from the toolbar. Here, you can choose to draw a line, route, or shape. To create a shape, click on different points on the map to connect them together. Once your shape is complete, click on the starting point to close it. You can then give the shape a name and save it to your map. Google My Maps will also display information like the total distance or size of the selected area. You can also add routes, markers, and additional layers to customize your map further. So that's basically how you can draw on Google Maps. That's it for this video. Thanks.